Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick video on acids and bases, which should give you enough information to kind of get you started, if not get you through the chapter altogether. This is traditionally a organic chemistry 1 topic and often test 1 topic. Now your professor is gonna expect you to learn a couple different definitions of acids and bases, both the Bronsted-Lowry acid and base definition, as well as the more commonly studied Lewis acid and base definition. A Lewis acid is an electron acceptor. A Lewis base is an electron donor. Okay, generally you'll only see this terminology once, and that's going to be on the first test. For the rest of the semester and in organic chemistry 2, your generally accepted definition of acids and bases, you've got acids, which like to give up hydrogens, or otherwise known as protons, and bases, they like to grab them. Okay, so let's just kind of see what that looks like with some just basic arrow pushing here. So if water, which can act as both an acid and a base, but in this first example, we're going to use water acting as a base. A base likes to grab hydrogens. So that's what's going on here. This lone pair is reaching out and grabbing this lone proton, and the resulting molecule is H3O+. Okay, so we have added an additional hydrogen to our original molecule. Now this is also going to be a nice time to introduce the definition of conjugate acid and conjugate base. So if water is acting as a base here, because bases like to grab hydrogens, the resulting molecule after you add a proton to your base is what we call a conjugate acid, okay? Now, here, water is gonna act as an acid. It's gonna give up a proton. So we're gonna take some base, it doesn't matter which one it is, just take your favorite base. And if a base is gonna take a hydrogen off of water, and then these two bonding electrons are gonna stay with water, the resulting molecule is gonna be this hydroxy ion, which is left over after water, and then whatever this newly formed molecule is. So anyway, in this case, if water is acting as an acid, and acids like to give up protons, specifically this one, okay? The resulting molecule left over after an acid gives up a proton is gonna be what we call our conjugate base. So I'm gonna come back to this page, and again, conjugate acid is the resulting molecule when you add a single hydrogen to a base, and a conjugate base is the resulting molecule when you remove a single hydrogen from your initial acid, okay? It's not too bad. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment anything positive below. Literally anything so that help gets us views up. And subscribe to OrgoGoat. Go check out orgogoat.com for an extensive video library of organic chemistry concepts, which go into way more depth and detail than you see on these short videos here on YouTube. If you need private tutoring or there's a concept you don't see covered on the YouTube site, shoot me an email, orgogoat@yahoo.com, and I'll add it. We're just getting this site up and going, so new videos are coming out weekly, so check back. And again, if there's something you're not seeing, shoot me an email. I'll be happy to make a video on it. Hope you guys found this helpful. Stay tuned.